अरे ओ बेटा जी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम. Such a bad singer. Papa, I have to go to his room and talk to him right now and ask him to lower the volume because I'm shooting. Okay, let's start. Hey guys, it's me Shahnaz and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another rant video. So in today's video again I'm gonna talk a lot and do very less of makeup. So I'm gonna create this makeup look right here, this very cute makeup look which is basically the last makeup look of 2020. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm saying that. So today's video is basically a video which I want to look back at someday when I'm having a very crappy day and feel good about. Because in today's video I am going to talk about all the things that I'm grateful about in this year 2020. Basically this video is about my year in a nutshell, okay? And if you guys are interested in this long ass video, then go get some snacks for yourself or a cup of coffee and watch me ranting. And yeah, without much blabbering, let's get started. दो पैर से मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मुझे ये वीडियो बनानी है I'm just procrastinating. And अभी भी मैं 6 बजे से यहाँ पे बैठी हुई हूँ. I'm just scrolling Instagram and munching on snacks. Okay guys, so I have toned my face and now I'm gonna move on to my moisturizer and start with the chit chatty thing. For my moisturizer, I'm gonna use the Biotic Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer. So, okay, the very first thing that I'm grateful about in this year is something that happened in the beginning of the year, and it was this house where we are living. And in 2020 we shifted here permanently. Dukh hai is baat ka that we have to leave the city and come here, but the city is not far away from here. It's like a half an hour ride, so it's okay. But the thing that I'm grateful about is that this is our own house. This is my room. So finally I got a room for myself, and yeah, that's something I'm super grateful about. Okay, moisturization. Okay, moisturization is done. Now I'm gonna move on to primer and using the same Lakme 9 to 5 natural primer. Okay, so the next thing I'm grateful about is that, touch wood, till now no one from my family has been tested positive for COVID-19, touch wood. So I'm like super grateful about that. I mean, this year was one hell of a year. A pandemic hit the world, and if you also are someone who is not affected by COVID-19 yet, then you should be grateful. Okay, now I am going to start with my foundation. So I'm going to use a foundation. For foundation, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. थोड़ा गंदा हो गया है. Yeah, this is in the shade 107 Fresh Beige. I'll try to blend the foundation with my fingers. This foundation is very nice. I love it. Okay, so the next thing that I'm grateful about that happened this year is is that I'm still unemployed. Like, I'm not grateful, but hear me out. Let me put it together. So till 2019 I have been studying. I was in the college phase. I did my graduation in 2019, and then 2020 came and I thought I will get a job like this and then I'll have money and life में कोई problem ही नहीं होगा. So I was super confident, but then we all know what happened, right? Like, बार बार क्या ही बोलना कोरोना वायरस को इतना importance क्यों दे. But yeah, जो होना था वो हो गया, and then I am like unemployed till now, and I do not have any income source. I'm totally dependent on my parents, which is very sad. So the thing that I'm grateful about is that because of this whole unemployment thing, I have realized the value of money, जो कि मुझे पहले नहीं होता था. When I used to go to college, I used to, spend a lot of money, cafes, restaurants, shopping, Nykaa, makeup, clothes. अभी जब मैं unemployed हूँ and I'm totally dependent on my parents, like my father, and when I have to go to him bar and ask for money, it kind of hits my ego. And I'm like, no man, what the hell am I even doing? And so in that stage, I realized how much important money is and how we should value money. Just because you have it right now doesn't mean you'll spend it all, because आपको नहीं पता है कल को आपके पास होगा कि नहीं होगा. So I understood the concept of saving money this year. So that is something I'm grateful about. Okay, so this foundation is very mattifying, so I am gonna use this lipstick as a blush. I'm not gonna use क्या बोलते हैं powder blush, so I'm gonna use this lipstick as a blush. I think I'm gonna use a compact just under my eyes. Okay, I'm using the Lakme 95 compact. Okay, talking about the next thing I'm grateful about is that this year, you know, I actually started working out, and I have worked out for like a month, you know. I don't understand this concept of people. They're like, तुम तो वैसे भी पतली हो, तुम्हें workout करने की क्या ज़रूरत है? I'm like, dude, what the hell concept is that? मैं पतली हूँ तो मुझे workout करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Like seriously, like I want to work out because I want to feel healthy. I want to be fit. I'm not strong enough. I want to feel strong, healthy, fit. That's why I want to work out. I don't want to work out because I want to lose weight. I don't know why people think that working out is always related to losing weight. Like, no man. Okay, I'm not gonna क्या बोलते हैं contour or bronze, I guess, but I'm gonna use a little bit more blush because I'm loving the blush. Next thing I am grateful about this year is anxiety issues. So I know due to this pandemic, a lot of you must have had anxiety issues. I too had anxiety issues, and I have dealt with a lot of anxiety issues this year. But the thing that I'm grateful about is that I have learned to deal with my anxiety myself, like all by myself. So recently when I had the panic attack, I was alone in my room. It was at night and something happened. I obviously can't talk about it. But something happened, and all of a sudden I cried so hard that, you know, I knew that it was coming. I knew, like, my body was shivering. It almost feels like my blood is actually boiling inside my body, you know. That's the kind of feeling. It's like there are tingling sensations all over my body, and I was shivering and I was crying. I couldn't breathe, and it almost feels like you are gonna die if you don't stop crying, but at the same time you cannot stop crying, you know. That's how a panic attack feels. So I was alone in my room. I couldn't tell my parents that I'm having a panic attack because I was all okay, and all of a sudden kuch ho gaya. And yeah, I can't share everything. You cannot share with your parents, right? So उस time पे I deal with that panic attack all alone in my room. I calmed myself down. I hugged myself and I just deal with it all alone. And I couldn't believe the next morning that I deal with my panic attack all alone. And it almost felt like I do not need anybody, you know. So it's not that I have completely healed and I don't have anxiety issues. I still have them, but right now, But right now I am in a stage of my life where if I'm overthinking, I know how to shut my brain. If I'm having a panic attack, I know how to deal with it all alone. If I'm having anxiety, if I'm anxious about something, if I'm thinking and thinking and thinking, then I know how to deal with it. I have my therapy session. I have my playlist on Spotify named as a therapy session. What I'm gonna use next, I think I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Okay, I'm gonna do my eye makeup. Little bit of eye makeup. Very little. Okay, so the next thing that I'm grateful about this year is my I am not sure if I want to talk about this, but okay, let's do it. That's my breakup. So if you guys have followed me on my Instagram, oh, I have tied my hair up by the way, in case, yeah. So if you guys have followed me on my Instagram, then you will know that I have had a very public a relationship. मतलब my relationship was very public. Yeah, public relationship. So my relationship was very public on Instagram. So I think it's fair enough for me to let you guys know that it's not there anymore. I mean, it's over, and I am super grateful about it. Like, I think the best thing that happened to me ever in this year is my breakup, because he cheated on me and I found out about it after 1 year, like 1 freaking year. Still, I'm glad that I found out about it, and I hate people who cheat. Like, you leave me without any reason, it's okay, but you cheat, not okay, never. The best thing is that I thought I would never be able to just ignore it, okay, just ignore it. Although I'm grateful that the relationship is over, but the most important thing that I want to talk about here is that that was like the longest relationship of my life. It was for like 2.5 years, and I thought I would never ever be able to get over it quickly. It would take me a year or 2 to get over him and stuff like that. But the moment I found out about that cheating thing, I was like, fuck off. Okay, so the best thing here is that that relationship was the longest relationship of my life ever. I never thought I would talk about it on my YouTube channel, but I want to talk about it. I have not talked about it to anyone. Like, I didn't tell anybody about the next few things that I'm gonna tell you guys. So hear me out, okay? So, I thought that I would not be able to get over the relationship quickly, and I thought it would take me a year or 2 almost to get over him. But oh my god, in Janice style, okay? I got over the relationship in less than 2 weeks, like in 10 days, max 10 days, I would say. I just feel so grateful. I have had the worst night, I have had the worst and panic attacks, I have had the worst anxieties, and I cried a lot. I've spent nights, sleepless nights, but when I came out of it, it was amazing. Like, it was amazing. Like, I feel like those 2.5 years of my life, I do not remember anything about that relationship. Like, whatever happened, it just got deleted from my mind. It feels like that. I'll just put little bit eyeshadow on the crease. Yeah, I just want to put it out there. I think I didn't told anybody about it, and people still think that I miss him or something like that. Like, oh my god, who even misses him? No, never. I would never. I really don't give a shit. So I used to think that loyalty is the biggest thing that anybody can give, but I think it's the bare minimum. Everybody deserves loyalty. So if you think that just because your boyfriend is loyal, you can cut off on all the other toxic things, then do not. Okay, I think loyalty is the bare minimum. Everybody deserves it. No matter if you are a girl or a boy, even if you're a boy listening or watching this video, do not settle for less. If you see one red flag in your girlfriend, cut her off from your life. You deserve better. I think that's it. I will not apply any shimmer because I don't want to. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, eyeliner, mascara offline. Then I'll end the video with some highlighter and lipstick. So I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, so I have done my eyebrows, eyeliner, nice wing eyeliner, and lots of mascara. Now I'm gonna move on to my highlighter. Okay, so next thing that I'm grateful about this year is you guys. Obviously, we are a family of 700 subscribers, and I cannot wait to hit 1,000 subscribers next year. I am gonna be super active. Not promising anything because life is so uncertain right now, but still I'm hoping that I'm gonna be super active on my YouTube, and I am hoping to hit 1,000 subscribers next year. So looking forward to that. But I was so happy when I hit 500 subscribers this year. I was very happy actually. So yeah, talking to the camera, this shooting thing keeps me so happy. This is like my therapy. Okay, next we are gonna apply the last thing, which is the lipstick. I know this video is so long, I have blabbered so much, I'm not even sure how many people are gonna watch it. Like, by the way, I'm very confused between these two lipsticks. This is gonna go for the red lipstick. I have a thing for red lipsticks, but what should I go for, huh? I think I'll go for the red. I mean, blue and red is gonna match, है ना? Okay guys, so this is the final look and I'm super happy about the look. I mean, super happy how it turned out with all the ranting and the talking thing. I was really nervous about how the makeup would turn out, but I think it's super nice and my hair is also behaving pretty well today. So yeah, I'm very happy. And on that note, I am gonna end this video here. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Yeah, like take some life lessons and just find it helpful. And if you guys like this chitty chatty video that I did, this heart to heart kind of videos, then do let me know in the comment section. Ending 2020 on positive notes. Okay, so my camera battery died and I do not have the patience to say bye, wait for 2-3 hours to just say goodbye. So I'm just ending the vlog with the video with the front camera in a vlog style. Yes, so yeah, I just hope all of you guys have a very great new year, and I just hope I too have a great new year, a productive new year. I will procrastinate less, try to work more and hit 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great new year. Happy New Year from my side to all the 700 of you who have subscribed to this channel. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys next year with a new video.